Hi there, students. Thorough. Thorough is an adjective. Thoroughly, the corresponding adverb. And thoroughness, the noun. Okay, thorough means comprehensive, in-depth, exhaustive, painstaking, careful, and accurate, without negligence or omission. So, a thorough search. They searched everywhere, from top to bottom, in every possible place. To do a thorough job. They did the job thoroughly. He is known for his thoroughness. You could clean something thoroughly, completely. I hope this is going to be a thorough explanation. Okay, you can also use thorough to mean total, complete, utter, absolute. This bad weather is a thorough nuisance. The film was thorough enjoyment from start to finish. That hotel was a thorough disappointment. This exercise has been a thorough waste of time. Okay? So, either covering all aspects of something, a thorough report. He has a thorough understanding of English grammar. The doctor gave him a thorough checkup. Or complete, total, absolute. I'm thoroughly bored. Downright, utter, total. It was a thorough lie. It is thoroughly untrue. Okay, so thorough, conscientious, scrupulous, meticulous, assiduous. He did it thoroughly. And when it was thoroughly finished, he moved to the next thing. His thoroughness is a great asset for this company. Okay, let's look at the origin. Well, in the past, in Old English, thorough also had the meaning of through and could be used as a preposition. This still remains in the word a thoroughfare. A thoroughfare is a road connecting 2 points, a way connecting 2 points, or the main street of a town or a city, the main thoroughfare. You'll find a thoroughfare maybe in legal English and other places. So, anyway, thorough comes from Old English, through, which actually just meant through. And I can understand how thorough and through are linked. What about formality? I think thorough, thoroughly, thoroughness. This is a 5 in formality. This is something you can use absolutely anywhere. You can use it in an informal chat in the pub. You can use it in a really formal technical document. So you can use it anywhere. So, thorough, complete. I hope this has been a thorough explanation. And then total, absolute, utter. It was a thorough bore. It was thoroughly boring. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Thorough.